Pica! Pica!
Okay. Everybody got gas?
I'm sorry? I don't understand. Your English is not very good looking.
Okay, we're gonna take Sahara to 1595 to Jones. We're gonna make a left on Jones and we're gonna stop, I don't know the street, but it's before, between Alta and Charleston. There is one stop there. And then we're gonna take Charleston to past Cimarron. The left hand side is a storage unit. We're gonna make another stop over there. There is a gas station across the storage unit. We're gonna get gas there. And then we're gonna take 215 to Airport Tunnel, Russell to Whitney Ranch. Whitney Ranch, we're gonna make a right. I don't know the address. We're gonna follow Bruce. And then we go from there because I don't know what we're gonna do from there, but we have to come back to